I'm Crystalle Laamanen, and I'm a helicopter aircraft maintenance engineer. I'm a proud mom to two amazing kids. We make maple syrup together, and we're always chasing our next adventure. My grandmother immigrated to Canada during the Second World War. She was a zero excuses kind of woman. Tough, driven, resilient, and she passed that fire down to me. I wanted to be a flight paramedic, and somewhere along the way, that merged with my love of helicopters. Pretty quickly, I realized I'd rather deal with hydraulic fluid than blood. What I love most about this career, no 2 days are ever the same. One day we're flying up north, chasing forest fires or tagging polar bears. The next, I'm jumping into the Arctic Ocean in Tuktoyaktuk or Cambridge Bay. I've flown over the Mackenzie Mountains, I've seen the Northern Lights, I've danced in an ice castle. And most days, it doesn't even feel like work. I know how powerful it is to see someone who looks like you doing something you never imagined possible. That's why I share my story through Elevate Aviation. It's one of the most rewarding parts of what I do, opening students' eyes to new possibilities and new futures. One of the biggest lessons I've learned, and I'm still learning, you don't have to know it all. You don't have to do everything yourself. We're stronger when we lean on each other, we lift each other up. That's when everyone succeeds. Life is short. Do what makes you smile, even if it scares you. Feel the fear, do it anyway. My name is Crystalle Laamanen. I am relentless.